How to fix Minecraft stuck on loading screen. So if you want to fix Minecraft stuck on loading screen, then what you need to do is first you just need simply close your game completely and restart your computer. This clears temporary issues. And then next, you need to open the Minecraft launcher and then go to installations and make sure you're using the latest game version. If that doesn't work, then press Windows plus R and then type in percentage app data percentage and hit the enter. And here just simply go with Control A, select all the files and then delete them. And after doing that, it resets your settings safely, and also check your graphic drivers if that are up to date or not. If they are outdated or corrupted, then you can simply go and update them. And finally, try launching Minecraft as an administrator. These simple steps usually get Minecraft past the loading screen fast. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.